Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I had here Crompton Gianna. So as you can see, this is a newly released pen. As you can see the branding of Crompton. This is Crompton Gianna, and this ceiling fan is in present in my second bedroom. As you can see, this is present in my second bedroom. And so here you can see. So let me turn on. Yes. So it is not fast as expect. It makes same noise like Avancer. Airflow is not the best. Airflow is not best. So let me turn on speed 5. Here you can see still it's slow. Here you can see little airflow, not much airflow. So what is the consequence now? That this fan has just only little bit airflow. The fan airflow is not best, and the speed is also really slow, as you can see. And it is not looking like Crompton fan. It is looks like some Odeon fans, not Crompton fans like. So I will suggest you don't buy this model, Crompton Gianna. One of the worst model ever I have seen. Same performance, same speed like Crompton, same airflow like Crompton Breeze Air or Super Breeze Deco. I had a Super Breeze Deco from 2013 in G logo. So that is for today, and this fan model is junk, don't buy. Thank you.